this video, I'm going to show you how to download and import INI files from Asiga's website into the Asiga Composer software. The INI files is actually the material files or profiles used to control your printer for a specific material. To download or to find the actual material files, we're going to open up our internet browser, whether it's Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, and I'm going to navigate to asiga.com. In here, I'm going to log into my account. And after you log into your account, you'll notice across the bottom we have a couple tabs here. So you have my account, my products, training, and then material library. Material library is where you'll actually find all of the predetermined, or not predetermined, but actually manufactured resins that are pre-validated for your Asiga 3D printer. So for example, let's say if I wanted to actually use the Whipmix resins, I would select on Whipmix, and then I would navigate to the material that I want to actually install to our Asiga Composer software. To the right of the names of the materials, there actually is a download button. So I can download them individually, or up at the top where it says Whipmix, I can download them all together. From here, after I have them downloaded, to actually get them into your Asiga Composer software, I'm going to open the Composer software, and I'm going to act as if I'm creating a new build. When I do so, in our new build window, to the right, we're going to navigate to the Material tab, and under here, there's a gear to the right. When I select on the gear, we have an import option, and if it's your first time importing, you're only going to have Composer. If after you've imported in material files after the first time, you will have a second option here. It doesn't really matter which one you select on. So from here, I've selected on my name, and then I'm going to navigate to the material I want to import. I'm going to import the Whipmix Splint resin profile into the Asiga Composer software. So I selected on it once, and then I'm just going to select on Open. And now the Composer software will give us a prompt stating that we have loaded the Splint material file into the printer software. So from here I'll select OK, and if I now scroll through my material library, I can view that I have Splint as an option. This is how you import and download the Composer software material files, or the INI files.